Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 31, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 31, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, May 31, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 31, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 13.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, May 31, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 31, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.